Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, your girl is coming to you this morning from the sunny Nice. If it's your first time to our channel, my name is Melissa and welcome to my family. You guys, it's a brand new day, and if it's your first time to our channel, also be sure to subscribe right now. And if it's your first time, and if it's not your first time, this video thumbs up right now. My baby girl is done for a nap. It is early afternoon as we speak. She's done for a nap. Tyler is on lunch break from school, so he's having a little TV time after lunch. During lunch break, I left Sarah with babe and got a little workout in. I'll show you guys that. Then I got back and got myself a shower and get all fresh and put her down for a nap. So that's what she's doing right now. Baby's working from morning. I woke up this morning and I was so tired, so I went back to bed a little bit, Sarah and I, and then I woke up and I went straight into schooling with Tyler. So I didn't get my workout early in the morning, so I had to take lunch break and do that, which I did accomplish. So that is good. I feel really tired, but I accomplished my workout, so that's awesome. Right now I am about to warm up some leftovers for lunch, leftovers from yesterday. I have callaloo. Use the remote and change the ad. I have some steamed callaloo left over, I have quinoa left over, and I have some curry chickpeas left over. So that's what my lunch is gonna be. Mixture of all three to make it perfect for me. Oh, I just rhymed. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to look after lunch for myself right now. Everybody else is already fed. I already fed everybody before I went to work out. So that's good. We are still in quarantine. It is week 4 of quarantine and we are still home, running out of fresh supplies. So baby's in the shower right now. He's going to do a quick run to a little shop up the street, a little store up the street, where he can pick up some fresh goodies for me. Because he's gonna go to the supermarket to do big shopping at the end of the week. So I don't really want anything like rice and stuff like that. I just need some fruits and veggies, so that's what he's going to do for me in a bit. Yeah, so that's basically what's going on around here. It's very sunny outside. It's very hot. It feel like summer outside, literally. Anyway, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and hope you guys are still continue to stay in. And if you're an essential worker and have to go out, be sure to take care of yourself as best as possible. Take care of yourself, especially if you have to go home to your family. Be safe as much as you can. My heart just goes out to everybody who is really been affected. We all have been affected, but some people has really been affected more than others. So I'm sending you guys love and strength, and to all the essential workers, especially the healthcare workers and the nurses, the doctors, and everybody who have to go out to take care of others. Love you guys, sending you guys love and strength. Anyway, I am going to get on with my day. I have some work to do, and of course mama have a lot to do as per usual around here. So stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. Let me let you guys say hello to Tyler real quick, and then you guys will see the rest of the family as the day goes by. He's watching one of his favorite TV program. Say hello to Faves.
Hello Faves.
What you doing?
I'm watching Andy.
And then what we're gonna do after Andy?
Resume school.
Very good, that's my boy. Anyway, you guys, all right, I'll catch you guys in a bit. You guys, baby's back from this little store up the street. And just to show you a few of the things he got water.
Mama, what else he got? He got a dumpling like that, so you can make soup with dumpling inside.
No, he didn't get dumpling, but I have flour can make dumpling.
And she buy chicken like that. Like that you can put chicken in my soup.
No, we'll buy chicken at the end of the week. You want me to make soup for you?
Yeah.
I'll make soup for you over the weekend.
Okay.
Okay? He said, if Papa buy dumpling, listen, am I the only one that when you come from the store these days and sanitizing the things, is as if your entire face starts scratching you? All of a sudden, you want to touch your face. My entire face just starts scratching me like, this is a setup. It's your mind, girl, your mind. Anyway, you guys, they've got back and we needed water because we were on our last few bottles. So he got water. He got me apples. I wanted apple because my apple finished. So I'm going to wash these. Throw them in the sink right away, Charlie. I'm gonna cut these up and wash them too because my celery is finished.
If we buy things.
He got a new bottle of juice for himself, I guess.
Oh, what is a type of oranges?
Mm-hmm.
Do they want to taste it?
Okay, you'll tell Papa. Don't touch, okay?
Okay.
Oh, he got shampoo for himself. His shampoo finished yesterday too, so he got that. Alright. And I'm just gonna let him go straight to the bin with these things. I feel like I'm scarring everything. Oh, he got tomatoes. I guess he didn't find any lettuce. He got cherry tomatoes. And she got me cucumber because as you guys can see, he got everything to make my green juice because my green juice ingredients finished today. I'm gonna wash those, put them in the sink. And yogurt for Sarah. Sarah yogurt finished yesterday. Alrighty, so that's it. Just have to emergency pick up.
Okay.
You guys, it's dinner time around here. And I have a request from Tyler. Tyler requested something specific for dinner today. What did you request it for dinner?
Burritos!
Fritters!
I got to give you some onions.
And he said, Mama, I want to help you to make it. So,
Oh, look what sugar in it.
that's what we're gonna do.
Don't worry.
Do.
Mama, what should I do?
Wait.
What is it for me? My workout is delayed?
Or cancel, more like cancel till tomorrow.
Postpone.
Ah?
It's postpone.
Postpone, cancel. Because Sarah tired and she don't want to go to sleep. She wants to just be around everybody, but yet she don't want to go down. Go down. I have to cancel babe workout. So that's
Oh, a
Leave it.
noodle. A noodle.
so Tyler and I are going to make saltfish fritters right now. So waiting on babe to come take
I'm going
over.
to wash my hands.
Yes, please.
But we was going to eat fish salad.
What?
Fish.
What are you saying? Baby,
Yes.
when you can sneak away from her, sneak away and come open this packet tin for me. Tyler, hold on. Mama have to go in this.
Oh, what is that? What is that?
It's a tin opener.
Hey, the boss of the opening can.
The box of the opening kind of bad guy.
You have the, you can't open
Me don't know kind of tin opener like a tin opener.
she don't know to
Yeah, wait till I
open
want to know.
can when they have no things to tear. Everything need to be easy for her.
Ah! Boss, a bad guy. Why, boss? Why are you breaking everything and you're stealing everything?
Look, nice and pretty. Whoops. I did.
What did you do?
Betty's.
This?
I told you you were the boss, a bad guy.
Betty's, but that's okay. Everybody can do Betty's.
It's open, Mama.
Okay, thank you, honey.
You are welcome, baby.
The boss, the bad guy boss, why did you do? If you do one more Betty, I'm going to put you in jail and you will never come out.
No,
You
but
want
I'm a good.
Papa to go to jail?
I'm a
Papa?
good lawyer. You want to go, you want Papa to go to jail?
Yes.
And if Papa go to jail, who's gonna
Yeah.
take care of you?
So
Wait a minute.
Mama.
who gonna play Uno with you?
Mama.
Which mama?
Mama will be sad if Papa go to jail. And Mama,
Where you gonna get a Papa from if Papa go to jail? Huh?
She's going to stay 5 minutes and when 5 minutes finish, I'm going to tell him to come out.
5 minutes to
So
jail.
you only want him to
Yes.
go to jail for 5 minutes?
Yes.
You have been around you, you have the
It's
boy.
a little bit too long, 5 minutes.
Been around you, but I do the same thing too.
Mama, what is it?
What is what, Tyler?
In there?
In where? No, it's saltfish for the fritters. I'm doing the ackee and saltfish same time, that's why. Okay, Sarah. So now that we have our saltfish ready, we're gonna put it in there.
Why not in the oven?
We could do that too, but this time Mama wants it to go in the pot, not in the oven.
Okay.
Okay?
Where to, Papa?
Qu'est-ce qui va sur l'eau? Regarde ta terre, regarde ta terre.
Yes, but look at it. Amy.
Alright, ackee done, ackee done. Alright, in this pan I have saltfish and some liquid, which I'm gonna let stay in there. To that I'm gonna add some sugar. Can't make fritters without adding a little sugar in it. And I'm gonna add a little baking powder, like a little baking powder in my fritters. Depends on which fritters I'm making. So give it just a little, girl. Then I'm gonna add some salt. Add that everything in there. Then what am I missing? Some black pepper because I don't have any hot pepper. Not too much because I have kids around here. Mix up the ackee goodie. Mix up this liquid here. And now I'm going to add the flour. Our mixture. Sharp.
Mama, what I need to do?
Nothing, baby, nothing. You're coming to mix with me?
Yes.
Come.
What will help you? Oh, that can saltfish is yummy.
It looks yummy.
Yummy,
So
yummy,
put it in the pan.
yummy, yummy.
Come. Here, come. Bye. Hold the spoon. Mix.
Mix.
We're blending everything that we put in it. Make it come together nicely to make a batter.
Mama,
Mm.
you're pressing too hard on my finger and it's getting hurt.
Push. What? Oh no, I know something was missing. I don't add any onions and
sweet peppers.
and sweet pepper and
How did you?
scallion.
You have none?
Of course I have. This is the Aki distract me and Kyla. Cha!
Papa, regarde, j'ai trouvé d'autres Lego.
I'm gonna add them now. It's not too late. It's not too late for a shower of rain. I know something was missing. You know when you have that feeling that something is missing? I could tell something's missing. Alright you guys, dinner is done. Saltfish fritters and ackee and saltfish. Dinner is ready, children. Plate look good. Grub time.
Hi guys, this is the evening. This is the end of the day.
You mean the night?
This is the night. Yeah, been a productive day, a long day.
Oh, you had a productive day.
Yeah, you too.
That's good.
You too. No?
Yes, because sometimes you joke and say what you set out to do throughout the day, you never get it accomplished. Oh. A good day. Sarah is down for the night. She was so tired this evening. So we're just coming on to end the vlog as I'm editing right now to get this to insert into the vlog.
You want the expression?
Yes, the Jamaican expression for today.
You don't want the French expression?
We always
first?
get a Jamaican one first. Okay,
Right.
go ahead. No, go.
No, my French expression come after your after your Jamaican expression. You will understand why.
The Jamaican expression for today is "wheel and come again." If somebody say "wheel and come again," what does that mean?
And we not come again. That's not gonna happen again.
No, to
Yeah.
repeat.
Repeat.
We normally say it in excitement, like if you're dancing and somebody say "Ludo, wheel and come again," I mean they want you to do it again. It was good.
Cool.
Alright, what's the French expression?
Tout vient à point à qui sait attendre.
Tout vient
à point à qui sait attendre.
À qui sait attendre. What does that mean?
That means that.
Wait, let me guess. I don't know. To be patient?
Yeah, like be patient. Like everything will come to the person that know to wait. So just be patient. Your times will come, and the good will come.
Alright, you guys. There you have the French and the Jamaican expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Alright, you guys. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.